In today's tutorial video, we're going to go over the hockey bound. So this is a great drill that transfers very closely to that power development you need to be a more explosive skater. To get down into that position, we want to load that leg, and we don't want to rush this, right? We're thinking maximal power here, so we want to take our time from bound to bound. When we bound, we're changing one leg to the other. So this is going to be, because it's a hockey bound, that push will be a bit more lateral, so we're going to bound on a 45. So I'm down through here, I'm loading, and I want to push that ground away. I'm not worried about the speed at which I'm doing it, because I'm trying to develop as much power as possible. So I'm here, driving away, I'm landing, and if I'm double hopping the land, that's all right. We're not as concerned about the land, so you can always get that opposite leg down to help for that. So I'd be loaded through here, going as far as I can, landing, getting that leg down. Loading, landing, bringing that other leg down. We're going for as much power as possible, so we want to cover as much ground as we can. So I'm loaded, driving, landing. Loaded, drive, land. That is our hockey bound.